Everything I do is whoa. Got the band jumping out the bag.
Good morning. Good morning. It is Monday. We are starting the week off looking at oil. I'm being really patient. You know what I'm saying? Going forward. We want to make smart choices no matter the outcome. And today I'm actually looking at some CL buys. Let me show you guys my screen real quick because we could potentially get it within the next 10 minutes. It's like 9:30. So within the next 10 minutes, we should probably get this move. I'm hoping. Hold on, let me show you my screen real quick. Alright. Make myself bigger. Make this a little bigger. Alright, so I'm looking for buys, but I want price to come into this order block right here. And then I eventually want price to buy up into these relative equal highs sitting up here. I'm not sure if that's what it wants to do, but I like it. I'm waiting for price again to sell on down. I need price to take liquidity before I enter though. I don't want to enter right here. I think this is not you can see that I sent this to my team, right? So I sent them sales, like the short-term sales, just because I like the 5-minute gap that it created in order to come down into an equilibrium. So if I were to draw my handy dandy fib on the 1 hour, let's go here. And if I were to draw my fib, right, we're sitting in that 61%, 50% area, so below the equilibrium, which means these are good areas to buy if we're looking to buy back up, right? So that's kind of what I'm looking for. Also, if I go to the 4 hour, I'm in a 4 hour fair value gap as well. So there's a little bit more confluence of why I want to take the buys up and to take these relative equal highs. But I want to be very precautious just because we do have a little bit more room to go down here as far as this order block goes on the 4 hour. So I want to see if price wants to push up to these highs first and then go down. But I'm liking the buys, right? I'm liking what price is showing me as far as wanting to go up just a little bit higher before ultimately selling back down. Let's see. Let's mark this off. I'm hoping it does not go up now just because I want more sell side to be taken. I do not want price to continue up from where it's at. Let's see what price does here. I don't like, we didn't even come and take these lows right here. Right? That's sell side. I mean, that's liquidity for me. So I don't like buys in this area. I really want price to come back down. Okay, it's showing me some good movement. If this 1 minute closes like this, we should continue down. Took some more liquidity sitting right there, which are just some small equal highs. Again, I sent this to my team. Let's bring this up. One second. I sent this to my team that I wanted like some short-term sales. I'm waiting for the buy continuation. So this was a short term for this particular setup right here. So price ended up tapping into their fair value gap. I wanted price to come down into the order block. So we took some short-term sales. I didn't really risk much on that just because, again, my ultimate bias is buys, right? So this is what I really want right here into that order block. So I'm waiting for price to show me something. Hopefully we can get that. Price can come down, take this sell side right here. and then push on up. And if we can get that, this is on the 1 minute. This is actually a 15-minute order block. So take the sell side. How it closes is really going to be the biggest thing that I'm looking for, right? I want price to close a little bullish by the time it gets here. I don't want price to close into this order block if possible. So that's what I'm looking for, man. We're gonna see if we get something. Again, we took the short-term sales, but me personally, I got out of it. I didn't really risk much. Like, let me show you. I think I got $100 off of that. There's no point in me showing you that. I got like $100 off of this just because I like the sale, right? But it's going against my overall direction. And I want to be super cognizant of sticking to my trading plan and only taking one trade per day. So I end up getting out of this, even though, as you can see, it did hit TP. So for those who are in my Discord, if you took that, beautiful win, but this is the ultimate one that I'm looking for, and hopefully we can get something. I'm gonna put my alarms right here just in case it takes a little minute. What time is it? 9:38. Yeah, just in case it takes a little minute to get there. So I might hop back on once price gets there. I don't want to sit here forever, so. But I hope that makes sense. Like, if I look at my daily time frame, right? We are in a daily order block, which makes me feel like we want to push up just a little bit higher because these equal highs are also hitting a daily fair value gap. So I do think price may come into here, then come back down into the order block and ultimately go up into this fair value gap, or we could just continue up into this fair value gap and then come down. I don't really know. Obviously nobody knows, but I'm liking the possibilities or the probabilities of the buys in this area. I just want price to give me some more liquidity, like take more liquidity. Leaving this liquidity sitting right here is it's not okay with me. I really want this to be taken. So yeah, I'm gonna come back. Hopefully by that, what time is it? It's 9:40. Hopefully in the next 10 minutes that macro allows me to get an entry. So I'll see you guys in a second. All right, y'all. I'm actually liking the rejection I just got off the 5 minute. So I'm trying to see if I want to wait till it closes. I really like the rejection. It probably could come down a little bit more. So I think I'm gonna wait to see if we can get some structural shifts, or if we could just, I don't know. Let me wait to see what price is trying to do right now. So we're in my area of interest though, so I'm just trying to wait and see. Trying to be patient, man. I'm really trying to take over my mental when it comes to taking control of, you know what I mean, what I do, and not just entering off impulse, not just entering off emotions. I no longer want to, not that I've been doing it, but I've kind of seen a pattern over the past week after that, like mental, like I haven't fully gotten to where I need to get to. And I feel like majority of it is because I am not taking control over my emotions, right? I may seem like I am, and I could tell myself I am, but you know when you are not, you know what I mean? Like, you know, you got to be real with yourself. And I feel like, let me get a push down to create some sort of wick first. And let me get a push down. Okay, we got a wick. It's a small one, but we got one. Let's see what this 1 minute does. I need some volume though. It might not be till after this candle closes when we get it. So I'm gonna be patient. But like I said, man, when you're not fully transparent with your own self, like when you're not taking accountability, you know what I mean, with yourself, when you're trying to put on a facade. Not that I've been lying to y'all or nothing, but I've been telling myself like, hey, I'm good. I'm over it. You know what I mean? I'm over that mental lapse that I was having when really I don't think I was. You know what I mean? I like this rejection here. I do like the rejection. But yeah, I don't really think I was. I think I was better in the sense that like I was no longer in that dark place that I was in, but I wasn't fully in control yet. And I'm trying to take the steps. I keep telling myself the choices that I make matter. So I'm trying to make better choices, which means 1, being patient to see what I need to see. And 2, controlling my emotions. You know what I mean? Like should be no reason why I'm anxious to get into a trade. Should be no reason why I'm fearful of anything. Like, why am I in fear of losing? Like, you know what I mean? Like, I shouldn't be having those. And I think it's really, I'm gonna be honest with you, it's really this book that I'm reading called Outwitting the Devil: The Secrets to Freedom and Success is sitting right here right now. I'm reading it every morning before I even, you know what I'm saying, get onto the computer, open the charts, anything. And man, when I can tell you, it's a help. It's a big help. I'm getting ready to enter this, depending on this close. Depending on this close. I want to see price push up into this area right here. I want to see price push and close with some nice momentum. The 5-minute close this way, I'm definitely going to get in for the buys. Let me let them know. I'm looking for buys. Come on now. Computer been slow lately. Yeah, they took the sales too. Some people took the sales. They're just showing me their profits. Just trying to be patient, waiting for the candles to close. It's less anxiety, man, when you're just patient and not really caring about and lowering my risk. I'm gonna be honest with you. Time ain't really a factor with me anymore. I don't really care when I pass. I don't really care how long it takes me. I'm lowering my risk. I'm only using micros right now. I think I'm gonna use maybe like 5 or 10 on 100. And then on a 250K, I don't know if I want to use micros on that, but I will potentially just lower my risk to where I'm only using a certain amount of contracts. Let me take this off. There we go. Come down a little bit. Give me some more sell side, but not close below. If we could just not close below. So we respected this area here. Let me take that off. So now what I want to see is any type of push above. If we don't get that push above this area, I'm not going to get in. If we close all the way, let me see where we are in this order block on the 30-minute. Okay, we might want to take sell side. which I thought we already did. We did take sell side. It's just about being patient, man. Sometimes what you want is not always going to be presented to you in the form that you need to see. It might look a little bit different. Lower time frame. So until then, I'm just sitting on my hands until I see what I need to see. It's 10 a.m. Let's see if it gives us something. I hate that my computer is so slow. I feel like I need to invest in like I love this reaction here. To invest in like a PC or something. You know? Yeah, I think I'm gonna invest into like a PC, a gaming PC or something. Something that can make me, allow my computer to work a little bit faster, not slow down as much. Because right now I feel like it's lagging and I don't like that. Let me see something. If it gets to a point where I feel like we're getting too deep into, let me see. Okay. It could come down a little bit. It could come down a little bit. We do have this area right here. Small area right there. Let me let my team know. There's a possibility we come down a little bit lower. Does that make sense for me? I would rather it not close below. Okay, so this area down here does have a gap and is another 15-minute order block. So we could continue down. Let's see. I'm just trying to figure out the probabilities of it doing that. See something. 1 second. Ooh, show me. Hold on, y'all. I need to fix my screen real quick so that I'm not showing the chat all the time. Let me tap into them, to them. So I'm basically telling them right now that they need to be prepared for CL to possibly tap into this 15-minute order block. You guys can't see that, so let me bring you back up. I'm telling them that they could possibly price could possibly come down into this order block instead of the one it's currently in. I like the one it's currently in just because that's the one that made the market structure shift. But again, you gotta be prepared for either one. Let me send that really quick. I'm waiting for the confirmation of the buys. All right, that is sent. Patience, man. Patience. Waiting to see what I want to see. This is legit the only move I'm looking at. I did have YM. Don't pay attention to these two. This is more of my Forex. Sometimes I like to dibble and dab in Forex, or more of like the swings. Shit. God damn. Hold on now. That was a beautiful move right there. Beautiful move right at that 950, 949, 945. So it really happened before the macro, but damn, that was good. Where could we possibly come to? These lows right here. Yeah, take some sell side in this area. Yeah, I'm not in none of that though. Today would have been good for people who are in sales. This is the 1 hour. Come here. All right, I'm back. I'm literally just waiting. I haven't seen what I want to see yet. So I'm just going to wait. Again, we have the current order block we're in. Let's go to the 30-minute. We got the current order block we're in. And then we've got one that's sitting a little bit below it on the 15-minute. Right down here. Just taking more sell side. I mean, not really sell side, but this area that doesn't have a wick. Now we've just tapped into that. Again, remember, there's a possibility we can come down lower into this order block. So I have to be prepared for that. Let's see what the daily is doing. Yeah, I've got to be prepared for that because we technically did not take this sell side. We haven't taken previous day high or previous day low either. But again, we're in that equilibrium of this move. If I were to go from here, let's just go here to here. We're in that equilibrium of the move. Well, we just tapped it, so. Trying to be patient, y'all. Come sit down. Come sit down. Good girl. I do like the rejection. But again, we got that rejection before, so the 1 minute can give me some good bullish closure, I would like it. Or the 5 minute. I keep going back. I use all time frames, guys. Like this is based off obviously the daily. If I go to the daily right now, we could very much so be. The only thing I'm looking at is that we're in this daily daily order block. And it's like, do we want to push up from here? Or are we just going to continue on down? Because the weekly is bearish, right? If I'm looking at the weekly, look at that. We could very much so come down and tap into this area. I just think we want to come up first and then come down. It's a lot to think about, but if you see your trade, then you just got to take your trade. And don't risk your full account. Risk management is key, patience is key, emotional control is key. This point I'm just waiting, so I'm gonna let you guys, I'm gonna hop back on once I get something, because right now I'm just waiting. I don't really know what price is trying to do. As I say that, we start to get momentum. So I don't know. Yeah, I'm just waiting, because I haven't seen what I need to see just yet. I like that closure. I do like that closure. But it's not enough momentum. You would think that we would have more momentum coming out of this area if we really wanted to buy up. See what I'm saying? I'm not really second guessing my analysis, but I'm really just being patient and thinking things out loud. Right? Because again, this is a probabilities game. So I've got to really think about what are the probabilities that it's going to continue down versus going back up. Right? So we are in a fair value gap, 4 hour, right? We're sitting in that 4 hour fair value gap. We have equal highs sitting up here, which is previous day high. We are in an equilibrium. We've just taken sell side. All right, I'm hopping in. Wait. Let me wait until that 1 hour. That 1 minute shows me momentum. Let me wait till then. I need 1 hour to show me momentum. And some sort of structural shift. We took sell side, right? Beautiful right here. Came down. Now I want to momentum coming out of here. I want to be like, okay, price is ready to buy. I'm not getting that yet. It's like playing around. Oop, there we go. That's the momentum I was talking about. All right, just show me some sort of retracement and we're good. Give me retracement and I'm good. Then this break structure. Got supply sitting here. All right, we just tapped into the fair value gap. Like barely though. I'm gonna give it a chance to come back down. If it breaks the high, I'll get in, but I'm gonna give it a chance to come back down. I like the way the 5-minute closed. All right, I'm gonna hop in. Bye.
Order filled.
And bye.
Order filled.
All right. I do think we're gonna come back down just a little bit. I think I got in. Where I get in? Right there. All right. Low. So we're looking at a 34 pip. And I'm looking for these highs are good. Even though I think we're gonna go higher than that. I do think we're gonna come up to these highs. But I wouldn't mind getting out here. If I lose this and it goes down to this next order block, which it looks like is what it wants to do. Yeah. I'm only risking. I'm gonna put my stops at around $500 loss. If I lose, my stops are actually because I don't want. I'm gonna tap in. I'm gonna put my stops here. And I'm doing that because I see that there's this order block sitting right here. And there's a chance it could tap. And we just tapped into this supply. Actually, I'm going to get out. I'm just going to get out.
Order filled.
And I'm going to get out. Currently a $200 loss.
Order filled.
$200 loss because I want a better entry. I want a better entry. See something. 15 minutes. I'm gonna see how this works. Seems like it's showing itself to want to sell. I don't really like the price action. It seems like it's showing itself to want to sell. Let's see what it does with this fair value gap. Hold on, let me tell my. Telling them, trying to see what this price action is gonna show. Let's see how this 15-minute closes, man. We got 5 minutes. Just take that off. Excuse me. Excuse me. I do like that. We can get a break above. I'll get back in. Just need a break above. Preferably a close above. Probably shouldn't have got out that first one just because it didn't hit my stop loss, but my only hesitancy is the 4-hour order block that's below us. But if again this goes above, I'm just gonna get in. So I'm trying to wait. Yeah, I think that was an emotional response to get out. What y'all think? What do you all think? 2 minutes left in this candle. This is the ultimate TP, but again, I like these highs. Is this a 2-to-1? This actually is. And that's all I need. If I'm wrong, man. But this is my second attempt at this one trade. So I want to be very cautious because I already just went down $200 for no reason. Being patient, man. Jeez. I do think I got in prematurely, but I liked what I saw on the 1 minute. So it's like, should I have waited for it to come down deeper? Because as I'm looking at this, right, it didn't really tap into that fair value gap now that I'm looking at it. Looking very bearish. All right, now I'm getting ready. Just need to show me something. All right, I'm in.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Last attempt, you guys, at actually I'm getting
Order filled.
5 more. All right, so I'm risking about 500 on my top step, which if I lose $700 on the day, less than 1%. And I'm risking 25. Yeah. I'm risking about 2,500, which is 1%. No, less than, I'm risking about 2,000. So a little less than 1% on my Apex 250K account. Let's see what happens. I love the volume here. This is the volume I was originally wanting. Now that we have this volume above this high, if it closes this way, right? I'm very much so prepared to get out here. However, I like this. All right, so we did get this momentum push above this high, right? Giving us that market structure shift. Drawn liquidity is the high that I have marked off. right? See this double top right here? It's a small double top on a 1 minute, but nevertheless a double top. Or somewhat equal highs. Hold on, let's take this off. Yes. All right, so somewhat equal highs here is my very first area of interest. Equal highs to take off, right? Then previous day high would be, we're getting a lot of momentum right now, which I love. That's the initial push I wanted. End up getting out before, Probably should have just held, considering my stop was down here. But let's see what price does in this area where it's currently at. That 5 minutes. See if price can close above this high. Body close above that high. I would like that. Trying to be very cautious about my risk. Not putting too much on, being okay with the small wins, right? Small wins are better than big losses. Sheesh, my phone's blowing up. Love the 5 minute. Love the 5 minute closing, body closing above. Still have to be, precautious, but it's a 5 minute market structure shift, right? So we had the 1 minute, now we've got the 5 minute. Let's see what this does here. What is the 15 minute doing? The 15 minute can close the same way in the next 9 minutes. I like it. Ultimate TP are these highs though. Ultimate TP is the previous day high, but if we can get, these highs right here, I'll be fine. I'm going to put this area right here of interest. I will go break even. Hold on, 30 minute. All right, so we tapped into that 30 minute for value gap right there, which is probably why we're getting that push down. Don't really like it, but I'm a hold to my, analysis, stick to my analysis that we're going to come up here. Ultimate previous day highs. Hey, sit down. Sit down. My dog will look out this window and just start barking. Hey, sit down. Lay down. I will close the window. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Thank you. All right, so assuming this is happening because we just tapped into that 30-minute, I'm not going to again worry too much, as I don't think that is going to hold. However, gotta be cautious, right? Gotta be aware. Just understanding what price is doing. We've got 7 minutes until this close, so what is the 1 minute doing? So that's basically pushed up. We could come back to my entry. We could come back to my entry. Let's see. If this candle closes bearish below like this order block, I'm gonna be a little bit worried. Just a tad bit worried. If it closes bearish like that. We don't have news, right? I mean, not with oil at least. I should have checked that shit before I entered. I just don't think. No, nothing. So what I need for price to do now is legit not close bearish in that order block. What it's doing right now is okay, as long as it doesn't close bearish within it. Give me that wick. Okay, I'm okay with that wick. This next 5-minute candle needs to be just as important. So I need some either a push down, but more momentum going up. What is a 15-minute doing? Yeah. So the 5-minute will need to close bullish in order for this 15-minute to remain bullish. We ain't got no momentum. This is Mondays for you. It's like no volume at all. Where we start? Sunday. No volume. How much was this push up? 138 ticks. What's the push? That's it. And then all last week we basically all last week we consolidated. And then I believe this is the manipulation down for us to continue up. But shit, taking forever. This is a 4-hour like fair value gap. You know what I mean? I do like this move here. This 4-hour should continue up. Based off the higher time frame, I'm liking the buys. I just have to be patient, man. Keep telling myself to be patient. Allow price to do what it wants to do. This is definitely not one of those scalp moves. This is a intraday move here, which means it could take over 30 minutes to an hour, over an hour maybe. I've been in it since 10. When did I get in this? 10:30-ish. So it's been about 20 minutes. If there's no real volume that could push it, that's gonna push me out of here, this could take a minute. Kind of want to stand up and do some damn stretches. Are we getting momentum now? Do not play with me, CL. I just need to close above on the 15 minutes. It needs to close above. Well, you see where I have this market structure shift right here? On the 15 minute? On the 5 minute? I needed to close above. Like, I don't want price to not close above this. I needed to close above that high. Because if it does, the likelihood of it coming up here is good. Make sense? I'm watching Charlene FX right now, right? And she just said, patience is your best friend. That is literally what I've just been talking about, right? Like, getting your confidence to where it needs to be. Everything she just said. Like, this is somebody I watch all the time. This is something she just posted. Look. Can you hear that? Hold on.
From it as you can. Let's make it a great week, guys. It's Monday. The markets are looking sweet so far. I can't lie, the markets are looking sweet. So get your markups right, get your confidence where it needs to be, and remember, patience is your best friend. Patience is your best friend. New vlogs, new day in the lives, more.
See what I'm saying? This is why I watch her. It's people like that, right? Because obviously I'm telling myself that, and I'm sitting here telling myself that in the morning as I'm trading. But at the end of the day, obviously I don't know her personally. I hope I get to meet her at one day. But hearing my, internet mentor, right? Because I don't know her personally. I can't just text her, say the same exact thing. Like she telling herself that same exact shit. Lets me know, like, you know what I'm saying? I'm on the right track. Like, I'm good. Like, I can tell myself the same shit. Be patient. Have confidence. The market don't care about your confidence, but still be confident in it. You know what I mean? The right risk to reward. All those things, bro. That's why I watch her every day. I literally do. As soon as I'm done with this, I'm going to watch her video, to be honest with you. Come on now. I need to close above. There's other people I watch too. It's not just her. I just be trying to find female traders similar to me. Not necessarily, we don't trade the same, not one bit, but her mentality, the way she thinks is similar to me. So, come on. 7 seconds left. Closing above. That would be beautiful for me. And then in that sense, I will put my stops at break even. Put my stops at break even. All right, stops are at break even. This is a risk-free trade for me. Let's just let price do what it want to do now. Again, ultimate TP here. Just so you guys know, I'm actually in this trade. I'm actually in this trade. Took that initial $200 loss. That was bullshit, because if I just had waited, not let the shit hit my TP, hit my stop loss, it is what it is though. This is a brand new account. Last week I lost, last Friday, on my first loss. The loss that, did I record last Friday? I was live with my Discord, so I don't think I recorded. I took a loss on my account and I lost the fucking funded. It wasn't funded yet. It was the one that I was trying to get out of drawdown. So I was like up and down. Yeah. And it wasn't even a big loss. It was just I was already, near that amount. So it is what it is. You know what I mean? Try it again. Try it again. Also, I'm on the same Apex account, so same. I love the way that 30-minute is looking. Love the way 30 minutes looking. Let's see if this 1 hour can close above, or even if it closes like this, we're good. But should I take partials? I think I'm gonna take some partials because I'm up. That's not my trading plan, bro. Put it to break even and that's it. That's my trading plan. Put it to break even and that's it. Jeez. Sometimes I gotta tell myself, like, stick to your trading plan. My trading plan is not to put it at break even. My trading plan, is not to take partials. My trading plan is to put it at break even, right? Because my ultimate TP is up here. Like, that's my TP. According to my strategy, I'm shooting for previous day highs and previous day lows. But it's Monday, right? And these highs are sitting at that 2-to-1 risk to reward. So that's what I'm aiming for. That is my only TP. That is my first TP. Like, I don't have a TP1, TP2. I don't do none of that because my strategy usually calls for draws on liquidity, right? So my next TP should be where liquidity is sitting. Usually the 2-to-1 is where the liquidity is sitting. Probably a little bit more. Like, this one is a little bit more than a 2-to-1. I just need price to do right by me, man. Do right by me, please. $15 closed above. That's exactly what I said I wanted. See if we can get some momentum now. Just need a little bit of momentum. Oh my God, I'm ready to be done with this computer. What is my chat saying? Okay, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. Continue, please. Remember, I said I'm paying attention to this, how it reacts in that area. How many ticks is this? 72 ticks. This is what I mean by this is not a scalp. Intraday trade, right? It's taking forever. Well over 30 minutes now. And what I don't want to do is sell myself short in this trade by taking partials or by getting out early. I want to stick to my trading plan, getting out at that 2 to 1. Chat is quiet today. Chat, y'all see this? Tell me what's going on. Tell me what's going on. Where everybody at? We got our webinar today, 6 p.m. So I hope y'all tapping into that. This video will drop before then, but my chat been quiet today. Usually they been talking up a storm. Like I said, like it's Monday. They tired. What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Yo, god damn, we've been. This clip alone is an hour. And I was on here 20 minutes before telling you guys what I want. So this is going to be a long trade. Like a long video. I might have to speed it up a little bit. We got 10 minutes left. 2 seconds left on here. I like that we closed above this area. Oh my God, that's what I like to see. Come on, give me some more momentum. Give me some more momentum. Take out these highs. I don't even think I'm a hold to here. Take out these highs and we done for. Come on. Give me that momentum. Don't play with me. We haven't had any bearish candles, so I can expect to see some around this time right now because we're at this order block. So again, I can expect to see something happen here. Momentum is in my favor. It's just, again, we're at the order block. So I'm going to put my stops a little bit above break even. Because the last thing I'm going to do is let this bitch come all the way back. Without taking something. I'm leaving out here with something. And because I already took a minor loss, it could be either break even or a small loss day, which I don't want. I'm trying to be patient enough to allow it to hit my TP. Oh, man. All right, y'all. I am going to stop this recording and come back when price may hit my TP. Or I'm going to step away, go make me some breakfast, and see if this will hit my TP while I'm gone. I really don't like doing that. I really don't like stepping away because I want to be able to press the exit button just in case. You know what I mean? I want to be able to do that. We do have this fair value gap sitting right here. And there's no wick in that area as well. You know what? It's Monday. I'm gonna have to take some partials, bro. I'm gonna have to take some partials. How many contracts? I'm gonna sell two. Sell two of these things. 2, 4, 6, 10. All right, sell two of those.
Order filled.
All right, stops at break even. And how many I have here? I'm gonna sell 3. Should I sell? Yeah, I'm gonna sell 3.
Order filled.
I'm gonna sell 2 more.
Order filled.
All right. So stops at break even. Sold a few contracts to where even if I were to come back into break even, like if it were to come hit my break even, then I'm not losing anything. I'm just at break even for the day. So that makes more sense to me. Hopefully we can get there though, because I need to go eat. Let's put an alarm here. We have 5 minutes until the 15-minute closes. That's more so what I'm concerned about. I needed to close above this area here. That's what I want. Price to 15 minutes to close above that area. Let's see if there's anything in my way. Not on a 15 minute. Not on a 30 minutes. Up in here it will be. Not on the 1 hour. Not on the 5 minute. This is where I say price can come back and then push up. Which is cool, which is cool, which is cool. Do I want to get in another position here? I've already taken partial, so I don't know if I want to give anything back. I'd rather just take me out at break even for the day, which I would be sad about, right? If it takes me out at break even, I'd be sad because this is a long video. All right, but I'm gonna let you guys watch this while I go fix me some breakfast. All right, y'all. I'm back. I don't really like what price is currently doing here, so I am about to exit all of my trades. 1 second. Hold on. Bring myself back up. Got some personal stuff up here. Exit here. And
Order filled.
exit here.
Order filled.
Do, 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 do. Put me in a game, coach. All right. So the reason I got out is just because I don't like the way price is moving right now. I would want or would have want price to close above this area right here, and because we are still in this supply and price is not wanting to close above this particular area, I'm just gonna get out. I don't think, or I don't know if I want to get back in if price does end up retracing back into this fair value gap. I just don't know if I want to get back in. I think I'm done for the day. Small win on the day, nothing too big. I end up coming out with a $200 or almost $300 win on. I did micros today, so I got to figure out this micros because I wanted way more than that, right? I've got to figure out the equivalent in micros with my regular contracts. But either way go, we didn't lose today, right? So $300 on a day with my Apex and about $600 on. $600 on my Apex, about $300 on my Top Step. Small gains, very small gains. Again, wanted more than that, but the contract size, because I'm on the mini, I'm in the micros. I don't think I put that in right at all. But either way go, we didn't hit my 1 or 2. We was a little bit off from the 1 or 2, but again, didn't like the way price was moving. So I'm gonna put a alarm here to see what price does in that area. I do think we're gonna continue up, but do I want to wait for that? It is now almost 12 o'clock my time. I don't trade after 11 o'clock, so the fact that I was still in this trade, it's fine, but as long as I don't enter a trade after 11 o'clock, I'm still following my rules. But this is way too long of a hold for me. So, the fact that we're not getting any volume tells me I just need to get out, right? Come back tomorrow. A small win is better than a big loss or a small loss. So I'm okay with it. But that's it. That's the trade for today. Again, would I have wanted more? Yes. But I take what I can get. You guys see that I follow my plan. I did have a little hiccup in the beginning where I closed out before I probably should have. Just hesitant. So, mental notes for myself to stop doing that shit. Right? I gotta stop doing that shit. So it is what it is. We won on the day, small win, but a win nonetheless. And I'm going to be posting this. I'm going to try to edit it like right now so I can post within the next hour. We do have our webinar today at 6 p.m. Today's Monday. This is the last Monday webinar, and then we're going to start back doing what we're supposed to do on Sundays. It's just been very busy for me the last 2 weekends, so I just had to push it, right? So today, webinars at 6 p.m. It is free. Remember that Discord is free up until the end of the year. And then it will go into a price, right? I'm giving so much sauce out right now for free so that if you want to take advantage of it, make sure you're in the Discord, right? When the price does go up, those who are in the Discord already will not be affected. They will be just going to play for those who want to get into Discord moving forward after January 1st, right? Or after December 31st. So come 1/1/2025, there will be a small fee to enter the Discord, which it won't be much. It won't be a lot. I'm trying to toggle between what price I want it to be, but again, it will not be a lot. It will be a monthly fee that you would pay to get into the Discord. And because I'm doing the webinars, because I'm starting to give a lot more of my time, I think that it's time to start thinking about charging for it. So Again, you're in it for free right now. You will completely stay free forever if you're in it. So if I was you, I would get in it right now while you can. All right. Yeah, that's it. Small win again. I will be posting this breakdown, this live trade today, and I will see you guys on the next one. All right.
Got the loud jumping up the pad. Everything I'm on slab. Everything I do is fuck. Got the Benz jumping out the bag. Another milestone, look at that.